Welcome! In this video we're going to be looking at how to deactivate a role in Rotawatch to remove it from view. First, click the Departments link at the top of the page, and then click Select for the rota you wish to make changes to. We're going to be using the Training Team's rota for this video. Click on the heading View and Edit Information, and then click on the heading View Roles. This list shows you all the active roles currently within your rota. We've been informed that the role 2 will no longer be available during the day and just for the night shift. To deactivate this role, click Edit next to the role you wish to change, and then Edit again, and this will unlock the fields for the role. To deactivate the role, you must untick all three options. Once all have been unticked, click Update, and when you go back to your roles, you'll see that it has now disappeared from the active list. When we go to look for the rota, you'll now also see that role 2 is no longer viewable. If you need to bring the role back at any time, return to your rota by clicking Select next to the rota you wish to change. Click on the heading View and Edit Information, and then click View Roles. And now click the link View Inactive Entries. Find the role that you wish to bring back and click Edit, and Edit again to unlock all the fields. This time, tick all three options and then click Update. When you go back to all roles, you'll now see it has returned to your active list. Thank you for watching.